How to get a buddy to trust you. Earning a buddy's trust is a very rewarding process. In this article, I will walk you through these steps you need to take to get your buddy to trust you. Get your buddy comfortable in their new environment. Get your buddy used to your presence. Teach your buddy that your hand is not a threat. Let your buddy eat from your hand. Teach your buddy to step up onto a stick. Teach your buddy to perch on your finger. Get your buddy comfortable in their new environment. When your buddy is new to your house, it will likely feel very stressed. They just entered a new surrounding that's unfamiliar to them. Give them at least 4 or 5 days to settle and get used to this new environment with all these new sounds and moments. Don't disturb your buddy unless you have to. Change their food and water. This is one of the most important steps in earning your buddy trust. If you start taming right away, it will view you as a predator, which will start your training process with a huge disadvantage. Playing Budgie sounds on your phone or computer will help your bird settle in. Budgies sing to each other to let flock members know everyone is safe. Recreating this for your bird will give them a false sense of security until the actual sense of security is achieved. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for viewing.
This is the life of Bo. This is the life of Bo. Bohemian.